Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a recent Windows 11 build and an audio source. That saves time. First, open Settings, then Accessibility, then Captions. This is where Live Captions lives. Turn the Live Captions toggle on. Choose whether to caption system audio, microphone, or both. You do this because Windows can transcribe real-time audio locally for privacy and speed. Once done, pick the input device and language so your captions map correctly to spoken audio. Now configure how captions behave and look so they fit your workflow. Choose whether captions appear at the top, bottom, or in a movable window. That prevents occluding important on-screen content. Adjust font size, color, and background opacity to ensure contrast and legibility in bright or dark apps. Then enable auto pause and automatic punctuation so captions are cleaner. Optionally enable transcript saving if you need a record. Make these changes. Finish by testing live captions with the audio you use most often. Check latency and accuracy so you know what to expect in meetings or videos. If captions don't appear, restart the Windows audio service, check microphone permissions, and update audio drivers. Those fixes resolve most issues. Also confirm language matches the speaker and adjust microphone gain to reduce background noise. If accuracy is still low, try a different input or rerun Windows Update. That often restores transcription quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.